Wednesday, October the 11th, 2017, I got off to a late start for my first night vision crossbow hunt. When I arrived at the property, I got my gear ready to go. I checked my game cam on my phone, and it looked like all was clear. As I was approaching the stand, I heard hogs. I booted up my thermal and took a peek, and I got busted. I went ahead and hunted that location for the next 3 hours, and I actually had to change my location 2 different times because of the wind that was swirling constantly. Around 10:20, I checked the game cams on my phone again, and I saw a boar that I named Hog that was showing up on another part of the property. This is a nice-sized boar that showed up the first part of August. He has a very distinctive look and has floppy ears. He has shown up at 3 different game cams on this property. At 10:30, I decided to grab all my gear to see if I can spot and stalk Hog. From where I was hunting, there was another feeder that is 300 yards away. I figured Hog was headed that direction. My assumption was right. When I got to about 150 yards, I went ahead and cocked my crossbow. I knocked a bolt, and the wind was perfect. I honestly didn't believe that I would be able to get close to this boar. Luckily, there was just enough cars in the background making just enough noise to cover up my sound. I literally would wait and not move until I heard a car coming, and I got within 30 yards of this boar. And then he started coming my direction. I quietly and efficiently put my thermal down. I picked up my Parker II Challenger crossbow, and I couldn't find him. I knew that he was headed right towards me, but the IR light was catching a lot of foliage, blinding the boar from my vision. And at the very last moment, I saw him disappearing into the woods, and I took the shot. It was an ugly, quartering away shot that spined him, and as you saw earlier, I finished him off with my 9mm Glock with 1 shot to the ear. I believe this was a domestic boar not only by his looks, but by his behavior and those donkey ears. He taped in at just over 47 inches, weighing in at 270 pounds. This is not only my first ever crossbow kill, this is my first ever spot and stalk night vision crossbow kill. This is hands down one of the most thrilling hunts that I've had all year. Kudos to Hog, and stay tuned for my next adventure.